How to Run a Marathon for Beginners, your step-by-step guide to running a marathon for beginners by HowExpert with Helen Nazarenko. If you want to know how to run a marathon, then get this step-by-step How to Run a Marathon for Beginners guide, which depicts all sorts of different aspects and details of marathon running. How to Run a Marathon for Beginners is a beautifully illustrated instructional guide. The guide provides useful tips and strategies for someone who wishes to run a marathon, as well as various ideas and proven solutions to problems a runner may be forced to face. The introduction of the book focuses on the many benefits and parts to running a marathon and takes a look at what running a marathon can provide the average person with. It also gives suggestions for causes to run for and other meaningful advice regarding self-motivation and personal fitness goals in general. The major sections that follow this brief but thorough introduction provide both diet and training plans that were tested personally by the author and are proven to work. These sections also depict the various nutrients that must be present in anyone's healthy diet every day, as well as giving general guidelines regarding daily calorie consumption and composition for runners. Other content included in the book would be helpful insight on the day of the marathon, as well as suggestions about what to do once a runner has completed his or her first marathon and achieved his or her much-desired goals. About the expert, Helen Nazarenko has moved about a lot and has lived in a variety of different places. However, it was only after settling down in New York that she actually began taking fitness and running more seriously. She is married and has one special daughter, Rose, who stars in many of the photos of this very book. Helen Nazarenko is a very motivational character and focuses on making people's lives better through personal experiences. As an article writer as well, she has had a lot of experience writing on various topics from fashion to automobiles and has a large collection of written pieces that are just waiting to be published. Table of Contents. Chapter 1, Introduction. Chapter 2, Training. Chapter 3, Diet and Nutrition. Chapter 4, Running the Marathon. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.